Hey, what's up, everybody? Stuart Macadam here. And the new Facebook page setup has been driving a lot of people nuts because it's moved things around and they're not sure where exactly to find things. So, I'm going to walk you through a little bit on what the new setup looks like and the places that you can go in order to find things. Just before we get started, though, don't forget to smash that like button down below for support and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And with that said, let's get started. Here we are on the homepage of my Facebook marketing page, which is Stuart Macadam Marketing. And I accessed it simply by clicking on See All Profiles and navigating down until I found Stuart Macadam Marketing. So you can see a couple of things straight away that have changed that are a little different. First things first, we'll start in the middle where you can see the promote, manage, and edit buttons. So clicking on the manage button, that's going to take you through to the professional dashboard where you can see all the accesses, all the posts, all the tools, the audience, ad center, message settings for your particular page. If we scroll back to the edit button on the top, you can see this is the basic information overview of your page, and we can scroll down here to edit your about info, and that's got to then take you up to a section where, when you're setting up the Facebook page, all of the information is there. So that allows you to put contact information, website and social links. You can see your reviews, whether you want to make them visible or invisible, and also moves on to privacy and legal information if you need that. The work and education, not really relevant here. Places lived, page transparency, um, and also editing the services section, seeing where you get any mentions for your particular page. If we go back to the left-hand section into the professional dashboard section, this is one of the most important things to be mindful of because it gives you a quick overview of your page insights, similar to what you find in the Meta Business Suite. You can also see how well your recent posts have performed by clicking the See More button there. If we go down to the audience section here, you can get an overview of the types of people that are seeing and engaging with your posts based on town or by country. Going to events, this is basically if you have a particular event that's coming up, you can see how many people you've reached, the amount of ticket clicks, responses as well. And the list goes on. Going to cover the most important areas, one of which is linked accounts. So if you've connected your Instagram account or your WhatsApp account, you'll be able to see it in this section right here, the linked accounts. We then scroll back over to the next important thing, which is going to be the messenger settings just over here. And that basically takes you to the automations which you have for your particular page. And it gives you the opportunity to set up different messages. Quite a cool little tool. And the layout is a little new. So if you do have any questions about this section, feel free to just leave a comment down below and I'll try and answer them the best I can. So coming over now to tools to try, you've got moderation assist. Just click into here. So basically, what it does, it allows you to have a little bit more control and overview and oversight on how you can get assistance with moderating comments. Handy little tool. We won't go into detail on it now, but this is where you can find it if you've heard about it and you want to give it a go. And finally, now we're just going to the last little bit. If you need to get into the Meta Business Suite from your professional dashboard, it's right at the bottom on the left-hand menu, Meta Business Suite. If you click on that, you'll go through to the Meta Business Suite for your page. So that's a quick overview coming all the way back to the new page settings on the professional dashboard. If we go back into the page itself, you can see that it's got a quick breakdown on some of the insights and settings. We've talked about the Meta Business Suite. You've got the boosted post options, the options to create ads and automated ads, which is basically your boosted posts one. You've got the insights section. And if we go back to the main section here and we click on the three dots, this then opens up more options as to where you can go to navigate the different parts of your page. So you can add a story, you can have a look at the tools that you've got, the action buttons, which is basically the call to action button you have at the top of your page. You've got the archive, your activity logs. So if you've posted or left a comment, we've got page and tagging settings, which is basically how you can tag yourself and others with your page. And also the opportunity, like previously on Facebook pages, to invite friends and family and colleagues that you have on Facebook to come and like and follow your page. And if you need a bit of a breakdown on all of this, you can just click on the Start Tool button. So once again, it's underneath the three dots. If you click on it, the Start Tool button right down at the bottom. And that gives you a pretty good overview of the new page layout and setup. So whilst it can look a bit daunting at the beginning, it's actually not so bad at all once you have a little exploration through all of it. And if you devote 30 minutes to an hour learning where everything is, you'll be a lot more confident with managing your Facebook page moving forward. So I hope you found this walkthrough simple and easy to understand. If you've got any questions about the new Facebook page layout, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to smash that like button as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.